Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make this elastic gold bracelet. So let's get started. These are the materials you require: big gold beads. You also need this elastic cord that you can purchase at your local bead store, and a pair of scissors. The first step is to measure your wrist, then cut the desired length of your cord. Then go ahead and add the beads until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. So we have completed adding the beads, now it's time to tie it off. We are going to do a simple knot here, and once that is done, cut off the remaining cord. There you go guys, a simple elastic bracelet in less than 1 minute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please subscribe for more.